In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then to use it, choose Get Started. Click I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Then click on Allow and allow while using in all available pop-ups. If you wish to change your wallpaper to iPhone 1, hit Finish right away. If you prefer to stick with your current one, click on it and then select Finish. Nextly, after closing an ad, you can adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also do that later on. Then click on Set as Default, tap on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same Launcher app. Hitting Consent, tapping on Set as Default and selecting your system launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!